Hello everyone. Welcome to our English lesson. For today's lesson, we are still in Unit 1, but we are focusing on compound noun. Alright, so by the end of this video, you should be able to identify the compound noun. After that, you should be able to create compound noun based on the pictures. And lastly, you should be able to construct sentences using the compound noun. Okay, so what is actually compound noun? So, compound noun is actually two nouns that combine together to form a compound noun. For example, this is a picture of a cup and this is a picture of a cake. So when these two nouns combine together, they will become a cupcake. Okay, let's look at the next example. So this is a picture of sun and this is the picture of flower. So when these two combine together, they will form sunflower. And this one, this is a picture of rain and this is a picture of coat. So when they combine together, they will become a raincoat. So this is what we call compound noun, okay? And last example, this is a picture of a tooth and this is a picture of a brush. So when these two combine together, it will form a toothbrush. Okay, so basically that is the idea of compound noun. Now let's us try to do this one. So ice plus cream. So this is a picture of cream. So it will become ice cream. And then lip plus, this is a picture of stick. It will become lipstick. A foot, ball, it will form football. Dragon and fly, they will become dragonfly. Okay? Alright, now so basically there are two tables. If you refer to your textbook, you'll find this table. So you have to match them together to form a compound noun. For example, cow goes to boy, class go to maid, ground goes to night, shop goes to keeper, door go to bell, cup go to cake, and last one air go to pot. So when you combine these two, it will become like this one: classmate, ground nuts, doorbell, airport. Okay, so after you have matched these two, you are going to complete this sentence with the correct compound noun. So this one too can be found in your textbook, okay? So if you look at this word given to you, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words altogether, right? So the first one, KLIA, is a very modern airport, okay? So it consists of air and the word port. So when you combine it, it will become airport. And then there is only one cupcake left on the plate. Okay, so cup and you combine with cake, it will become cupcake. And the third one, the shopkeeper is very polite to his customers. She was in the kitchen when the doorbell rang. Number 5, Najmi is Asin's classmate. They are in 6 robotics. And last one, Lee Ann's father loved to eat ground nuts while watching television. Okay, so I think that's all for today's lesson. I will provide to you a link for you to complete the worksheet, and I hope you can look through your textbook for this topic, compound noun. And then if you have any question, any hesitation, feel free to ask me, okay? So I think that's all from me. So I hope you stay safe at home and have a very good day. Bye.